Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna create Daenerys Targaryen riding Charizard illustration. And the sketch of this illustration and the colors are gonna be a link in the description below. You can download it anytime. So let's start from here. So as you can see, I just got this paint tool. I put it on low opacity and I put it on one stroke. I went to this drawing sketch, this layer, and I drew very slowly these sketches, as you can see here. It's a very rough sketch, but we're gonna ink it now. So after you're finished with the drawing, you can block the layer, and I have here a couple of colors I'm gonna use for the drawing. I got it from Google, from drawings of Charizard, and I locked it as well. And now I added a new layer. I called it inking. You just click here on the plus sign and you get a new layer. I called it inking, and in the paint, just put the opacity back to 100 and put the stroke on 6. And now go to the pen tool, and now let's start drawing. Okay, so this is gonna take time. I'm gonna speed up the video while drawing, and let's start. And one more thing I need to tell you is, before anything, make sure you go to Window and click on Stroke and click on the round cap and round join. And now you will be able to have round corners when you're drawing. And let's continue. So we're done with this step, which is the inking. So basically I've done 4 strokes on all of this woman and 4 strokes on these lines here and these lines and these lines here, here, only the lines which are like details. And you can see that it's a bit messy, so everything is on top of each other, like this one here, they're all crossing each other. So what we have to do here is now we have to use a shape builder tool. So select everything and now get the shape builder tool and hold Alt, and let's remove everything that is out of line. So hold Alt, remove this, it's gonna take time because we're gonna remove all of these extra lines. Remove this. Sometimes it needs time to get removed. Make sure you click multiple times. Okay, now what we have to do is, I think the face here doesn't look very nice. And this one here, let's delete this one. I don't need extra details. And the face, I think I'm gonna do some changes. So before we start coloring, we need to do all the interior ones, like this one, shift 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 this one, all the interior ones, and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this face here. And what else? We have to put it at stroke 0. Make sure you put all of them at stroke 0. And here we have to remove this one here. I forgot about it. Let's zoom in and remove this. And now you can see it's almost ready. So what you have to do is select everything and get the live paint bucket and press once, and now you can color. So I have colors here already, so I'm gonna select the red and color the red part here and red part here. And you can see when I removed the stroke in the middle, now if I added yellow on the other side, there won't be any black line. Okay, and now let's get this color and color all of this and this. What else? This.
So let's get a big rectangle in the back and right click, arrange send to back, and you will have this nice effect. Maybe let's color it slightly darker. So the color I chose is CC6A6A, and you can add an ellipse tool and do it like this and color it a little bit darker, or maybe even darker. So what we have here is some mistakes. As you can see, we can select everything and object expand, press OK, and then get the select everything again and get the shape builder tool and zoom in, and let's remove this area here. There's no need for it, this line.
And we're done.